Welcome to MathGPT. Today, we're going to learn how to find equivalent fractions for a given fraction, specifically for the fraction 3 over 10. Equivalent fractions are different fractions that represent the same value. Here's the fraction 3 over 10. An equivalent fraction is obtained by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number. Let's find some equivalent fractions by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by different numbers. We'll start by multiplying both by 2. So 3 times 2 over 10 times 2 gives us 2 equivalent fractions. Let's try with 3. 3 times 3 over 10 times 3 results in a new equivalent fraction. And lastly, let's try multiplying by 4. Each time, the fractions are different, but still represent the same quantity in a simplified form. To understand why these fractions are equivalent, let's visualize them. Imagine a rectangle divided into 10 equal parts, and now we shade in 3 parts, which represents our fraction 3 over 10. Now, let's compare it to the rectangle with 20 parts with 6 shaded areas, to 30 parts, and finally 40 parts. You'll see the number of parts we have shaded proportionately fill the same amount as 3 out of 10. As you can see, even though the numbers are different, these fractions occupy an equivalent fraction of the whole. So always remember, you can create equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same factor. This concept is very helpful when comparing fractions or solving problems that require common denominators.